Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
I will show you how to save web pages in Safari using bookmarks. Open the web page you want to save before creating a bookmark. On Mac, press Command D to open the Add Bookmark dialog quickly. On iPhone, tap the share icon, then tap Add Bookmark. Choose a name, select a folder, and confirm by tapping Save or Done. You can also drag the address to the Favorites bar on Mac for fast access. Saved bookmarks appear in the Sidebar menu or Start page, depending on settings. Start by opening the Sidebar or Bookmarks menu to view all saved items. Create a new folder to group related bookmarks for quick retrieval later. Open the Sidebar, then drag bookmarks into folders to reorganize them using drag and drop. Right-click a bookmark on Mac to rename, edit URL, or move it to another folder. On iPhone, tap Edit in the Bookmarks list to rename or rearrange items by dragging handles. Use descriptive names so you recognize pages quickly when scanning lists. Enable iCloud Safari sync to access bookmarks across devices automatically when signed into the same Apple ID. Confirm sync in settings on iPhone or system settings on Mac under your Apple ID and iCloud options. Use the address bar or favorites bar for one-click access to frequent bookmarks and faster navigation. To delete a bookmark, swipe left on iPhone and tap Delete, or right-click and choose Delete on Mac. Periodically review folders and remove.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.